Welcome back, Divine Family, to my channel. So, today we are going to do a reading regarding what are the blockages or obstacles that you need to work on in this lifetime to get the success or the desired job or the desired growth in your life. Okay, so accordingly, we have two piles. One is with the purple angel, the other is with the blue and pink angel. Okay, I would be putting up a close up image as well for your pile selection. Accordingly, you can select either one pile or watch the entire reading as guidance. Thank you. All right, pile number one, welcome back to your reading. So, you have got Three of Scrolls, Seven of Scrolls, Archangel Raphael. I have taken some oracle card as well, which says Dreams, Soulmate, and Divine Time. And I'll be giving you some healing spell as well into this reading. Okay, let's begin. So, pile number one, the very first card that you have got is Three of Scrolls. What I can see into this card is there's a captain of a ship, right? He is standing with a forward bridge. Okay, there are two officers nearby. There's a rainbow in the sky, if you guys could see. Yeah. This is a great time to broaden your horizons in both your personal and business lives. Don't limit yourself to only one direction. Your opportunities are greater than what you see. When you widen your scope, you will find your way to limitless options and boundless wealth. There's a potential in partnership as well for you. Okay. Or can be among three people if you're starting a business, or else there would be some people or three people in your life who are very important for you. They would be helpful for you on your path. There can be a travel, there can be a relocation on your agenda as well. Okay, so the next card you have got Seven of Scrolls. What I can see into this card is they there's a woman or a man. I think there's a woman. Okay, she's focusing intensely on a plum. Yes, hangs next to partially built wall. Okay, so this indicates there's a building or renovation. You can see that building is like falling apart, or this needs a renovation. So might be you are renovating your house, or you're renovating your building or business in the coming future, or right now also this could be your current energy. Okay, you're on a way to greatness. It requires attending to even the tiniest of particulars. So, might be you are not paying attention to the small things in your life. So, this card wants to indicate that you need to pay attention to the small uh, signs that Spirit is giving you. Be vigilant with the specific in your strategy. Pay considerable attention to details. While you may have a long term goal in your mind, the small steps are what's more important. Even the most magnificent this thing castles were built stone by stone, day by day. This is only by heaping up the small that the great can be achieved. Okay, so this is what Seven of Scrolls states. Then you have got Archangel Raphael for you. So what does Archangel Raphael wants to tell you? So he is a loving spirit who has an important role in bringing power to you. Okay, he carries energies of love, family, miracles, healing, and blessed journey. He can share all the intentions and experience with you. Raphael mostly comes into the reading when he wants to indicate that helpful other may be people would be needing your help, or you would be helpful into other people's life. Okay, it also portrays a time of great achievement in your personal life. Okay, he's a number 8. Blessings are coming into your life. There may be a renewal of a dream, reuniting with your family member, a healing, a physical condition, healing of a physical condition or a broken heart. Even if these conditions have been hanging on for a while, now it's time when you can really break through. Raphael can be your partner in this process. So you need to call upon Archangel Raphael for your help, and he's definitely there. He's guiding you, he's protecting you, his energies are with you already. Pile number 1, you need to call upon him for help and he will guide you further. Okay, from the oracle card, sorry, you have got dream, soulmate and divine time. So the dream card says your dreams may offer glimpse into your past experiences, serving as a pathway to understanding and overcoming hidden truths about yourself. You might be getting some dreams, or in the past also, or currently also you might be getting some dreams. Okay, so take it as a sign. They are some glimpse, so that is something that you have brought from your past life. You need to understand, you need to connect dot by dot, and you will get the exact big picture, and you will get some answer to your questions. Okay, the next card says soulmate. Past obstacles or challenges may have separated you from your soulmate in previous life, but divine interventions had brought you together again into this lifetime. So might be right now you are into a relationship, or you are looking for a relationship. So there is some uh, what you can say blockages right now, or you are not, like, you are being single for a long time, or if you are into already a relationship, you are stuck. There is some situation where you do not know what decision to be taken, which direction to follow. So beware, this card indicates you that this partner is from your past life, and in the past life also you guys were separated. So that's why you, this time also, there is a situation has arrived into your relationship where you need to take choice, either to move ahead or get separated. So if you are in this situation, pile number 1, I would like to tell you, do not repeat the same mistake. This time you do not get separated. Instead, take efforts, work on your relation, do the healing process, and do exact opposite of what you did in your previous life, and get success in your relationship. Okay, work out, have communication, and this will help you a lot to break that pattern. Okay, there's a divine time card as well for you, which says karmic debts from past life are hearing resolution, signaling a shift towards new beginning and opportunities for growth and transformation. Oh, nice. So there's a divine time for you right now, pile number 1, where you will be getting new opportunities, growth in your life. There would be a complete shift in your life in a positive front. Okay, very soon. So pile number 1, we had the topic as what are the blockages that you need to work on. So very first blockage what you need to consider is working in a team. You might be, there would be some helpful people around you. The reading has given us the number 3, so might be there are 3 people in your life, or you have been started a business where, you know, 3 of you have started the business together. So you should have that helping attitude, which will, you know, help you for the growth, reconstruction or renovation. You need to do right now. If you know, it might be in your house or business or your personal relationship. Then Archangel Raphael, you need to call upon Archangel Raphael for your help whenever you feel blocked or whenever you feel you're stuck. Okay, there would be some dreams that would be getting. You need to join those dots, and you would be able to get the answer of your questions or any issue. The soulmate and divine time. So there is going to be a divine time, right, in your life where everything seems to be at place for you. Okay, now I'm going to give you an healing spell which will definitely help you to manifest this positivity into your life. And regarding your relationship, I have already guided you. Pile number 1, you need to take that efforts, and if there is a stuck situation right now, get out of that stuck situation. And if you're thinking of separation, do not go with the separation, okay, because that's the repetitive pattern that you need to work on in this lifetime. Okay, the spell I'll just read out to you. Okay, what you need to do is take some rock salt in a large bowl, add a juice of 2 squeezely lemons and sesame oil, okay? Stir and mix it well, okay? Remove, and then you need to read aloud the spell. Remove from me anything impure of heart, spirit, and mind. My wish is to once again become whole, free of pain and sadness, and filled with all that is better in me. Okay, then rub this salt on your body all over and have your bath. This is going to heal you. All right, pile number 1, I guess this would have brought some clarity to you. Thank you and have a great day. All right, pile number 2, welcome to your reading. So you have got the 8 of forces, the lightning bolt, number 18 which says up in the air, number 19 which says reflection. Okay, from the oracle cards you have got greed, toxic release, decisions, and I'll be giving you one healing spell today, okay, in order to clear your blockages. Okay, let's start with your reading. So very first you have got the 8 of forces. So what I can see into this picture is there's a lightning bolt illuminates a stormy night sky, striking down a tree. There's a rain pool around the ground. This card indicates there's a time of splitting apart, a time of loss, disappointment, or even a metamorphical death. You may be feeling wounded, grieved, disappointed. The loss can be career opportunity, romantic relationship, partnership, creative project, or friendship. Okay. The event may seem sudden or unexpected, but in the light that flashes, we see storm that been going on for some time. But you probably been aware of the threat or difficulty at some level, even if you were unwilling to acknowledge it before. Now it is time to accept the situation and not fight with what's so. There is a benefit coming, but it's often takes an ending to bring forth a new beginning and a storm to cleanse field. So pile number 2, the very first card, I see a new beginning for you. Okay, there would be a loss, might be you're out of a relationship, a painful relationship, or you would have come out of a friendship, a business which was very painful for you, which made some financial loss or a loss of emotions for you. Okay, so this is your current situation, but what I can see further is up in the air, right? So what does this card denotes? I see a man and a woman gaze with anticipation at a hot air balloon in a bright blue sky. The balloon flies high above the hills, and the contents of the balloon baskets are hidden from the view. So, this time of your life, there are aspects of an important situation that seem hidden to you. You may be feeling strong, almost urge desire to know how it's going to turn out. You can connect with your spirit guides and ask the little insights. But there are elements that are unknown and at this time unknowable. There is too much about this situation that is still up in the air. This could be due to influence of others who were undecided or some event that may have not yet to pass and unexpected discoveries are yet to be made. Trust is the only way for you now. If you push too hard to know or the influence, you might push that outcome away. Let's go all urgency. Give the situation to your higher infinite self who will take care of it. Time is required to know more about this matter, and this time doesn't matter to your eternal self, whose power and love are always with you. Okay, I'll explain you in deep. Don't worry. Pile number two. So the next card says reflection. This is my favorite card. Okay, so it says there's a full moon who's shining brightly, and there's a quiet lake. The glow of ship lantern is reflected in the lake. This card shows a trip, particularly over by water. More important, it can reveal that you now have the direct line to your psychic gifts. You are also more aware of your emotions, more reflective about them. You recognize the difference between your intuitive voice, which is calm and assured, and your lower and emotional compulsions, which are urgent and sometimes feel fear based. Let yourself gain even greater clarity and control your emotions now. So, this card also represents a great time for you to take classes in meditation, psychic development, counseling, healing, psychological and spiritual arts. If you have such interest, your yin and yang side is wide open, your receptivity is high. Trust your inner voice and you will be guided to greatness. Okay, pile number two. From the oracle card, you have got greed. Your greed for money and power is making you lose your importance in family and society, attracting more enemies. Toxic release. This card states negative or toxic influences in your life may hinder your personal growth, well being, urging you to set boundaries and distance yourself from harmful relationships. Decisions. Choices made in past life can ripple into your present situations, influencing the paths we take and the challenges we face today. So, pile number two, as per our topic today, which says what are the obstacles or blockages that you need to work upon? The very first thing what you need to do is you need to stop overthinking, okay? As you have that urge in you to know everything and everybody, there are some things that are unknown to you and you're trying hard to get information about it, okay? So this is not the right time. That is what the divine wants to tell you, okay? Right now you have already come from a loss or from a broken heart, or it's a financial loss for you. You have like you were into business and unexpectedly that business didn't work out and you have to be out of that business. Same is in your relationship also. But what I can see is in future you are becoming more spiritually aligned. You are able to aligned yourself to the high vibrations, you will understand, you will be very intuitive person, you will understand the signs that the universe and divine is trying to give you. Okay, so if you need to start meditation, if you're already doing it, that's great. You need to extend your time for it. Okay, be mindful about people whom you are allowing into your life, because there could be some toxic influences in your life as well, which can be harmful for you. Okay, do not overthink more about power and money, because it's a predestined thing. It is going to come into your plate when it is determined to. Okay, so do not overthink and do not pressurize things. Okay, and also be mindful about decisions that you're making, because there would be some choices for you from your past life also. So might be because you make some wrong choices or decisions, that is will influence your present and your future. Okay, so be mindful, this card is giving you a sign about it. All right, so I hope you got some clarity. And regarding the spell for you, I have some healing spells for you. Okay, if you're feeling unwell, stressed, fatigue, or when you have a case of blues, so take a teaspoon full of, like when you're feeling anxiety, you can take a lemon, rosemary, garlic, periwinkle oil, and you can just have that teaspoon of these all herbs. You will be free from anxiety. Okay, if you're having depression, take lavender, mustard oil, and sunflower oil together and have a teaspoonful of these herbs. You will feel relief from depression. If there is a lot of lethargy, aloe vera and peppermint. You can have a teaspoonful of aloe vera and peppermint. It will release your lethargic. Okay, there is stress, take a lemon bath. Okay, this will help you to release your stress. All right, pile 2 also number wise, number 8, number 1, number 9, and number 9 plus 1 is 10, 1. Okay, so these would be and number 18 and 19 would be important for you. This can be your numbers or the people who would be influencing in your life, or who would be coming into your life in future. Okay, thank you and have a great day.